Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a new product that I have added to my bridal makeup kit collection. I feel like this will give it a pop to any look that you're trying to go for. So if you want to see a makeup look in the end, then stay tuned. So the products that I have added, and I have 5 of them, and I'll tell you a story to how I got 5 of them. And so the product that I am going to share with you guys is the Stila Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. So these are the liquid eyeshadows that everybody's raving about. And I don't know why it took me so long to just go ahead and get it. But I'm happy that I just went ahead and bought it. And so here it is. There was the Rouge sale, the VIB sale from Sephora. I went ahead and purchased 3 shades, which is Kitten Karma, Diamond Dust, Rose Gold Retro. These retail for $24, the VIB percent off. So they are definitely less than $24 retail price. And then a week later, I decided to go visit TJMAXX, and I saw the same exact one, and they were only $7.99. I could not resist, so I went ahead and I bought 2. But the only thing is, the other one that I bought, this is the Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow, which is the same as the other ones that I've purchased. But this one is the Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadow. So this one is shimmer, not glitter, finer glitter, versus the other ones it has like bigger chunks of glitter. So now I'm happy because I have 5 that I am adding to my collection. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these, and I'm also going to try them on. Let's start with the Shimmer and Glow. So it looks just like this. The packaging looks nice. It's very sleek looking. So I'll just go ahead and swatch it right here. So it has more of a metallic shimmer, and it is wet. It is wet when applied, but it will dry up later on. So that is Kitten, the shade Kitten. And so the next one is going to be Smoky Storm, and this is now the Glitter and Glow liquid eyeshadow. And you can see the bigger chunks of eyeshadow in here, so I like that one. And then this one is, I really like that. One is Smoky Storm. See that? This one is Kitten, and this one is Smoky Storm. So you see like specks of that glitter. So the next one is the Diamond Dust. This one, I'll put it right here in the middle. Yeah, this one definitely has more specks of silver, and a little, I can see a little bit of purple and more of like that blue specks. So there it is, this one right here. So this one is the Rose Gold. Okay. You see more of a shimmer pigment to it than the glitter. These two have more glitter to it. This one is more of the shimmer and then a little bit of specks of glitter. So that's nice too, Rose Gold. And then my last one is Kitten Karma. Okay, so for this one, it has a little bit of shimmer. So I think it is, what I am seeing is kind of similar to the first one, which is Kitten, but it has a little bit of glitter to it. So I like that one too. I like how glittery these look. That completes my 5 Stila Glitter and Glow and 1 Shimmer liquid eyeshadow. I am excited to try these. This definitely is a good addition to my bridal because yes, I do have a little bit of shimmer in my collection, but I don't have this. With my current makeup right now, I am going to try Smoky Storm. If you have enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Share this video, and thank you for watching. Bye.